Yes, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So in this video, I will show you how to solve the definite integral. Okay, definite integral means you have limits in your integral. Okay, so for example, this question, we have the integration of 1 over square root of x plus 5 minus 2x with respect to x from 2 to 3. So 2 is the lower limit, and 3 is the upper limit. Okay. And then for the function, we can see here we have 1 over square root of x. So we must change 1 over square root of x first. So we know that square root of x means x to the power of 1 over 2. And then we bring x to the numerator. So we will have x to the power of negative 1 over 2 and then plus 5 minus 2x. And this function we didn't integrate yet. Okay, I just bring x power of half to the numerator. Okay, so we must write the symbol of integration and the dx here. And then this is the definite integral. Don't forget to put the limits from 2 to 3. Okay, so next step, we can integrate this function. So x to the power of negative half, we will get x to the power of negative 1 over 2, and then the power is increased by 1 unit. So negative 1 over 2 plus 1, and then divided by the new power. So negative half plus 1 is equal to 1 over 2, positive 1 over 2. And then plus, we integrate 5 with respect to x, we will get 5x. And then minus, integrate to x with respect to x, we will get 2x to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by the new power is 2. And here, this is the definite integral. So definite integral, we don't have to write plus c. Okay, so we don't have to write plus c, but we must write the limits from 2 to 3. Okay, now we simplify the function in the bracket first. So we have 1 in front of x. Okay, the coefficient of x here is 1. So 1 divided by 1 over 2, we will get 2 to the power of, 2x to the power of 1 over 2. And then plus 5x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So we have x power of 2x squared. And then don't forget the limits from 2 to 3. Okay, now for the next step of the definite integral, we must substitute the value of the limit. Okay, so the first one, you must substitute the value of the upper limit first. Okay, so the limit here, okay, 2 and 3, the limit here is for the variable of x. Okay, we look at what is the variable that we integrate. So we integrate with respect to x. That means the limit given here is for variable x. Okay, so now we substitute the limit into all the x in the function here. Okay, so we have 2 times 3, substitute the upper limit first, power of 1 over 2, and then plus 5 times 3 minus 3 squared. This is for the upper limit. And then you must minus, the operation here is minus with the lower limit. So substitute x with the lower limit is 2. So 2 times 2 to the power of half plus 5 times 2 minus 2 squared. So this is for the for the lower limit. Now we calculate the value for the upper limit. We will get 9.464 minus with the value for the lower limit is 8.828, and the answer will give you 0.636. So this is the working steps to solve infinite integral. We will get a number for the final answer. Okay, thank you very much.